the pizza bar. I've decided to go for the pizza right now. Maybe for wings. Buffalo wings I'd like to, maybe get buffalo wings. Not buffalo wings, just the wings. The pizza bar already is filming this one with this menu. You can see, you can order, get the order. This is my beverage. I'm gonna wait a little bit for my order. Yes, for YouTube.
Waffle fries. Can I have a meat number? One slice?
It's okay, with my prepaid. There's a pizza bar waiting for my order. Order here, just pick up the order. The bar, you already think about this bar, it's not my bar. A lot of things, a lot of different types of pizzas, wings as well. You can order over here. It's like my American style to get wrapped. All this cocktail, alcohol beverage get wrapped with a paper bag. These liqueurs, I bought my things in liqueurs, my can. This is a karaoke every single night. I'm gonna maybe I can't sing karaoke, but just give you the gonna get over there, just get into it, drop into, just listen how people singing karaoke is a part of the culture. Just to get acquainted with the culture. Oh, look, this my lime Rita. This is the I ordered buffalo wings. This nice thing. It's like chicken wings, peppered with the cheese, special sauce. It's American style. I'm sitting in the pizza bar. I've been there. I've been here many times. Not so many times, but I've been there. I know this place. Right now, I'm going to treat myself with the chicken buffalo wings. What else? After that, maybe I'm going to go to karaoke over there. Not bad though. Not bad. All this shit could be somewhere outside, far from my motherland country. To eat some treats, local dishes, makes me happy. I'd like to say. I don't know, the most essential for me. It's essential for me. All the chips essential for me. My dudes. Again, I finished my meal, I finished my buffalo wings. This was nice. It's like in America, all these chicken wings is goes quite nice. This is a piece of bar. It's like nothing is going on special. What I wanted to say, tomorrow we're gonna attend to little Haiti at last. At last. I was thinking about attend little Haiti for many years, maybe I so say for many years. Tomorrow I got a little bit time in Miami Beach. And I wouldn't say the plenty time, but I've got some times in Miami Beach. It's like nice black chicks walking through, passing by. Yeah, I got distracted by the chicks. Tomorrow I'm gonna attend Little Gavana. Little Gavana 2021. I'm gonna attend Little Haiti and participate in some activities and maybe try out some Haitian cuisine. Why won't I? Lime burrito, fucking shite. The rain intensifies. For the finish. This is a tropical terrain.